What's up mga sip?
This time, magkakaroon tayong bike check sa isang ngayon lang tayo magkaka-bike check ng isang Marin or Marine bicycle. And let's start this Marine bicycle with an intro. So, meron dyan, Marin is a bicycle manufacturer in Marin County, California. So, from manufacturer, para siya from California. Established in 1986, it specializes in mountain bikes, but also as other types of bikes. Many of its 68 bicycles are named after locations in and around Marin County. So Bolinas Ridge is a north-south ridge in west southern Marin County, California. So ridge is a chain of mountains or hills that form a continuous elevated crest of an extended distance. So dito mapasok na yung isa sa model ng marine bikes na Marin Bolinas Ridge 1. So ano ba itong Marin Bolinas Ridge 1? Is a recreational mountain biking entry-level bike na suited for recreational riders wishing to explore single track and dirt trails with a mountain bike built for real trails. Trail-capable suspensions and fork and all-condition disc brake. So yun yung konti intro natin kay Marine Bicycles and for the Marin Bolinas Ridge 1. And again, let's start from its frame. And from its frame, ganda ng kanyang ng kanyang badge or logo. For its frame, it has a 6061 aluminum low standover 68 BB shell with 135 millimeters forged dropout, chain stay mounted disc brakes. So yun yung specs niya. So aluminum 6061 pala siya. And so we'd have a 29er na medium kay Bikeworks. And that's all the possible angles na pwede nyo makita para ma-appreciate nyo si Marine Bikes. Specifically, Bolinas Ridge 1. So, aluminum Series 1. So, pero na para tayong mga pang single track ready na trail from Marine Bikes. For the fork, it has a SR Suntour XCE disc with 100 millimeters of travel with preload adjustment and 46 millimeters offset. Ano daw? O basta 40 millimeters offset. Hindi ko kasi alam kung saan nakikita yung 46 millimeters na offset na yan. For the cockpit, it has a marine alloy na cockpit. So, mayroon siya sa rating sa cockpit. Again, as we also always say, the cockpit consists of the handlebars, the stem, and the saddle. For the, so Marin lahat yung brand yan. And the Shimano integrated shifter. So it's equipped with the Shimano Shimano parts. And for the drivetrain, it has a Shimano 33x7 with the KMC chains. So maka-turny ka na. KMC chain ka pa. So, matindi, no? So, naka-Shimano pala mga nakalagay dito. For the tires and rims, it has a belly tire. It's 29 by 2.25. For the rotors and the calipers, it has a Power CX7 mechanical disc, Shimano pad compatible, and 160 millimeters of rotor. And lastly, sa kanyang hub, which is a Marin na hub na 32 holes. Okay, again, this, and you can always check this bike on Bikeworks Binyan. And for the pricing, you can just contact their page. Lagi naman silang online for that inquiries and other inquiries na hindi ko nabanggit dito sa ating video. Sa mga nagtiyatsaga, syempre mas masarap ang sinigang. Ewan ko sa inyo ba't gusto nyo ng nilaga, no? Pero syempre, para sa akin, mas malasa ang sinigang. Okay? Again, this will be all for now mga kasipa, and I hope to see you on the next video. Bye-bye!